Today, we embark on a journey to unveil the profound significance of a seemingly simple act, family prayer. As we delve into this sacred practice, we uncover its power to strengthen familial bonds, nurture spiritual growth, and imbue our lives with meaning and purpose. Through the lens of today's exploration, we will come to understand how essential family prayer is in shaping our identities, fostering unity, and guiding us through life's triumphs and tribulations. So let us open our hearts and minds to the transformative potential of this cherished tradition, and may today's revelations inspire us to embrace the beauty and importance of family prayer in our daily lives. Family prayer is not just a routine. It's a sacred time that binds families together in faith, love, and unity. It serves as a cornerstone for spiritual growth, fostering a sense of belonging and connection with each other and with a higher power. Through prayer, families share their joys, concerns, and gratitude, strengthening their bonds and building resilience to face life's challenges together. Moreover, it sets a powerful example for children, teaching them the importance of prioritizing spiritual nourishment and seeking guidance from a divine source in all aspects of life. Ultimately, family prayer transcends mere words. It becomes a transformative experience that shapes individuals and families, enriching their lives with meaning, purpose, and divine grace.